So let's see the power of passive investing. So I have a model right here. If you were to invest $100,000 into a multifamily syndication, remember, fancy word for group investment, what would that look like? So we see here, year one, you'd make $7,000. Woo! Okay, I know, not a lot, not great, but here's your net worth. But if we go to year 5, suddenly net worth jumps to 200. So you can see that your money doubles in 5 years. That's if you only invested once. What if you did this every year? You moved $100,000 into a multifamily investment every year. Then what would it look like? Well, suddenly your net worth gets much, much bigger. So we're looking at year 5, we're at 680,000. Year 6, 908. Year 7, you clear the $1 million mark. That's the power of passive investing.